There are two distinct sounds you will know, especially in the dark. One is that of a shotgun racking a shell into the chamber, and the other is our STS automatic knife. Dependable, but listen to that sound at night. Here's a little video from us at STS. Just giving some basics for you. What I'm holding in my hand is what we refer to as the Alpha Tactical. Now, the first thing you notice is the heavy weight, the construction as well. No moving parts, no rattles. Very solid, built well. Next, you notice how good and strong that spring is. See, it takes a lot of effort. That's the basic Alpha Tactical. It has different blade styles. That's a 440C stainless steel blade. Now, we have, again, very durable, but the actuator or release is on the face or not the spine. This is our STS Incognito. Very different. They both have the skull breaker or window breaker, whatever you want to call them. But the release on this, again, operates the same way. This has what they call a Damascus style 440C blade, and you have many blade styles you can choose from. This model, like any of our models, can be upgraded at the factory to VG10 steel as well as D2 steel. Now, what we have done for our law enforcement is we wanted a very special edition of the STS Incognito, so we chose to put a very rare inlay. I believe it's a bloodstone, or what they call blood jasper, and again, same construction, pocket clip, everything's the same. This one has a Tonto style Damascus style blade with serrades. Any blade choice you want, no rattle. And for those that really like theirs ultra custom, I'm holding probably one of maybe three that has been made this year. This is a chrome out the front auto blade, but you'll notice the blade has the blood vein, and it's specially made because of the turquoise inlay. So these are the four things. One thing that I wanted to discuss was if you were to accidentally misfire your knife, meaning for some reason, which it shouldn't happen often, it does not fully extend, the best thing to do, it's not broke, is to gently grab it, pull forward, re-engage the spring. Kind of self-repairing or self-healing. You don't need any tools. That's what you do in the event of that kind of a malfunction, or again, if you were in that situation where the blade was not allowed to extend. STS Incognito Elite CF Custom Automatic D2 steel and carbon fiber knives are a thing of beauty, meant to be used. Other knives in this class can cost as much as $700.